Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Chopre. I'm studying in the Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and I'm currently pursuing my B.Tech in the field of cloud technology and information security. Today's video will be about my mini project, and my mini project is a cloud-based website on the topic of Harry Potter. My guide for this project is Mrs. Ankita Patil. So let's go. Let's see what it is. First, as a huge Harry Potter fan, it is very difficult to get authentic information as it is scattered all over the internet. A few websites provide wrong information on the given topics. Other websites are having websites unnecessary hyperlinks. The objective is to provide a fun website for all the users and to provide a website that is free of cost. It also is to provide on an entertainment level. As there aren't many websites based on this given topic, it is important for the fans to have a proper site where they can post their views, read other people's blogs about the given series. It also gives a free and secure space to the users to input the ideas and thoughts. The existing systems. There are not many websites existing regarding the series of Harry Potter, and if they are not necessarily they do not necessarily provide authentic information. With just one official site called the Visiting World in existence, it is extremely difficult for the readers around the world to access the information freely as it is a paid website. The ever-growing story of the famous book series lacks a proper website where users can gain knowledge about it as no proper site is present. Keeping this in mind, the website The Potterhead was created to give people a proper space where they can share their ideologies by posting them on the site or can read the work of others. The proposed system. The website consists of 6 sections which are about the home, about, series, blogs, the sign-in page, and the contact page. The features. On the taskbar, you can change the different pages by clicking on the taskbar. I shall show you the website right now. So first of all, this website was created on AWS. It was created using the AWS S3 facility. In this, we created 2 buckets for the website. First is the potterhead.com, and second, where you name the www.potterhead.com. Over here, all the changes have been made so that the website can be easily accessible. As you go on to see, the website is already live and can be accessed through this link. The website consists of 6 logins: home, about, series, blogs, sign in, and contact. As you can see, the website is a very simple, user friendly website as people with less experience of the internet can use this and gain information. Over here, the home series, information about the author is given, now the publication of the book series and the awards. Next, in the about series, you can gain information about the various excuse me topics in the book, about the school of Harry Potter, about the characters in the movie, the main characters and the villains. As you can see, buttons are also access input over here so that people can easily access them and go on to the next pages. Next is the series web page. In here, every series is information is given about every series over here. And if you want to read more, a simple option is there where you can click on it and get to gain more information on it, which provides you to a new page. Next is the blog page. As you can see, you can even post your own blogs over here. You can type in your blogs and enter your thoughts about the series or the fan-made fictions, the theories, and whatever. We already have a recent blog that was uploaded on it. Uh, Join in and to read the whole thing or to enter more blogs, you can always press on the join to read more and then sign into your account so you can read everything. Next is the sign in sign in page. Over here you can enter your email ID and your password of your account and can access the page easily. If you do not have one, you simply have to click on the create now page where you can simply just enter your credentials and join it. The last page is the contact page where the information about the creator has been given. As you can see, it's a user-friendly website and it was created all using S3. The proposed enhancements. The proposed enhancements for me are to add in quizzes and games to the website, increase the entertainment value of the site, and to also provide new links on the upcoming books and movies to the users. My conclusion is to give out an authentic Harry Potter website, to provide a free of cost website to the fans, and to give free and secure space to the users to input their ideas and thoughts. That's my presentation for